Hey guys, welcome back. It's Deb from Bowl Me Over. I have another great recipe for you today. There is a recipe on the blog for meatballs and gravy, and I've got one that's even a little bit better. So I wanted to share it with you, and that is my Salisbury Steak Meatballs and gravy. And it's really easy. You're gonna laugh at this one. It's a true dump and go recipe. We're gonna start in the crock pot by spraying it like we always do, because we all hate to clean the crock pot, right? Meatballs. You can use your favorite brand. These are Italian seasoned meatballs. Into the crock pot they go. Gonna top that with some sliced mushrooms. And that's easy enough. You know, if you're in a pinch, could you use canned? Absolutely. Wouldn't hurt a bit. And the next is an onion. And we're just gonna slice it thinly. We don't have to do anything too special to it. Just thinly slice the onion. Let me scooch a little bit of this out of the way. So don't even have to dice it. And it's just such a simple recipe. It's wonderful over, you know, like mashed potatoes, over egg noodles. Yum. Easy peasy. So just slice the onions thinly. You're good. So we're going to take our onions and separate them. Just run your fingers through them. And then we're going to add this to our crock pot. In fact, this recipe is so simple, I don't even think I walked through the ingredients with you, did I? But that's okay, because it's easy. All the ingredients are below. And this is such a simple recipe. So what we have here is beef stock, 2 cups. Into that, I'm gonna add some Dijon mustard. And if you think, I don't like Dijon mustard, I don't think I'm gonna like it, put it in. Trust me here, because it just adds a little tang to it. That's all it does. You don't taste the Dijon part. So that was Worcestershire sauce and cream of mushroom soup. In that goes. Okay. And then we're gonna add some onion soup mix and brown gravy. That's all we're gonna need for this recipe. Next up, I put it in just because I knew it'd be a little bit easier to whisk, but we're just gonna whisk this together. It doesn't have to be completely like creamy, but the better it is, the easier it's gonna be. Mostly I just don't wanna see the gravy floating on top. So all we need to do now is pour this over into our crock pot. Put the lid on, and you leave it on low for 4 hours, high for 4 hours, or low for 7 to 8 hours. That's it, it's done. The house will smell amazing. I think you're gonna really like this. So I'm gonna go about my day. We're gonna let this do its thing, and I'll see you back tonight. Hey guys, I'm back. Our mushrooms, our Salisbury steak mushrooms, have been cooking all day long, and it smells fabulous. One thing that I like to do is just make sure the gravy's nice and thick, because yum, I plan on serving this over mashed potatoes. So how we're gonna do that is by using a cornstarch slurry. And what that is equal part of cold water, needs to be cold water, and cornstarch, just plain old cornstarch. And I'm just gonna whisk it together. And it doesn't look like it's doing much right here, but when the cornstarch, the cold slurry, hits the hot in here, it helps thicken the gravy. So I'm gonna lift this off now. Oh goodness, yum. And just pour this in and give it a good stir. Oh, wow. That looks fabulous. I'm gonna put the lid back on, just a little crooked there. Let the steam escape a little bit. That'll actually help thicken it as well. So we're going to let that do its thing. Come back in 10 minutes. Be time to eat. Okay, guys, who's hungry? So remember, you thought I was joking about the mashed potatoes, right? I do have another video. We put it out just last week for mashed potatoes. These are amazing. So see how nicely that gravy thickened up in here? Oh my goodness. That looks fantastic. Exactly what I wanted. So on goes the meatballs with the mushroom and onion gravy. And the only things left to give this a try. Oh goodness. That just looks so good. And I know it is. This is another one that I make quite often. The flavors are just amazing together. It's like the perfect bite right there with the onion and the mushroom and the meatball. Let me give that a try. Guys, that is insanely good. The flavors all come together. Gosh, if you haven't made this, you need to make it tomorrow. Use Instacart, get all the ingredients, and yeah, you need to make this soon. It's just so, it's comforting, it's easy, it's a great dump and go dinner. Even for those busy weeknights, you know, when you don't want to heat up the house in the summertime or you just want comfort in the wintertime. Yeah, this one's for you. Seriously, I want you to give that a try soon because it is fantastic. Deb from Bowl Me Over, if you didn't catch the ingredients because I didn't tell you, everything's below. There's also a link to the blog. All the tips and all that good stuff, it's over there too. Make sure you give this a try. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.